Hello everyone, my name is Siti Aqifa and I'm Mira Ramadhani Putri Farial with student ID P17127025013 from international class. In this video, we'll learn about anatomical terminology, the special launch used in anatomy to describe the human body accurately. Anatomical terminology is basically a special launch that we use to describe parts of the human body clearly and precisely. In healthcare, using the right terms is really important because it helps avoid misunderstanding when explaining the location or condition of a body part. Most of these parts actually come from Greek and Latin. These launch have stayed the same over time, so the meanings don't change. To understand the human body better, we can divide it into different sections or planes. There are three main anatomical planes. The first one is the median or sagittal plane, which divides the body into right and left halves. The second is the transverse or horizontal plane, which divides the body into upper and lower parts. And the third one is the frontal or coronal plane, which divides the body into front and back part. Directional terms help describe the location of the body part relative to another. We start with anterior and posterior. Anterior or ventral refers to the front of the body. Posterior or dorsal refers to the back of the body. Now, moving on to superior and inferior. Superior means closer to the head and inferior means closer to the feet. Next, let's talk about superficial and deep. Superficial means near the surface of the body, while deep means further inside the body. Now, we'll continue with proximal and distal. Proximal means closer to the origin of a limb, and distal means further away. Next, we have external and internal. External means outside a hollow structure, and internal means inside. And finally, let's look at medial and lateral. Medial means closer to the middle line of the body, and lateral means further from it. Okay, next let's talk about types of movement. These are terms that describe how the body moves at the body. Each movement change the angle or position of body parts in a specific direction. Let's start with the basics, flexion and extension. Flexion means bending. It decreases the angle between two parts. And extension means straightening. It increasing the angle. Next, we have abduction and adduction. Abduction means moving away from the middle line, while adduction means moving toward the middle line. Now, let's move to rotation. Rotation happens when a body part turns around its own axis. Medial rotation means turning toward the middle line, and lateral rotation means turning away from it. Moving on, we have pronation and supination. Pronation and supination describe movement of the forearm. In pronation, the forearm rotates, so the palm faces downward. In supination, the forearm rotates, so the palm faces upward. Next are inversion and eversion. Inversion and eversion are movement of the foot. In inversion, the sole of the foot turns inward, facing in the middle line. In eversion, the sole turns outward away from the middle line. Now let's talk about protraction and retraction. Protraction means moving a body part forward, while retraction means pulling it backward. And the last one is elevation and depression. Elevation means lifting a body part upward, and depression means lowering it downward. To summarize, anatomical terminology help us describe the body accurately and consistently. Anatomical positions serve as standard references, while anatomical planes and directional. Directional terms describe the location of body parts. In short, mastering these terms allow for clear communication and a better understanding of the structure and function of the human body. And that's the end of Intro to Human Body terminology. Now you know the basic terms to describe the human body clearly. Thank you for listening and watching.